Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Horleisol 25W Solar Panel Kit with Smart MPPT Controller. There are features include high efficiency 25W monocrystalline power. This upgraded 25W panel utilizes premium monocrystalline silicon cells, delivering more power in the same compact form. With high conversion efficiency, it quickly charges and maintains 12 volts batteries for RVs, boats, cars, and powers small devices via USB, keeping your adventures and equipment reliably powered. Smart Charge Controller for faster, smarter charging. Equipped with an advanced charge controller, it maximizes energy harvest from sunlight, delivering charging efficiency up to 30% higher than conventional PWM controllers. It intelligently manages battery health with multi-stage charging to prevent overcharging and extend battery lifespan. Rugged and waterproof for all-season use. Engineered for durability, the panel features a sturdy, corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and high transmission tempered glass. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance rain or shine, standing up to harsh outdoor conditions wherever your travels take you. Easy setup with adjustable mounting bracket. Get the perfect sun angle effortlessly. Designed for versatile installation on curved or flat surfaces, like RV roofs or boat decks, the kit comes with all necessary cables and connectors for a true plug-and-play setup. Versatile all-in-one power solution. More than just a battery maintainer, this complete 25W kit is a versatile power source. It's ideal for keeping batteries topped up on vehicles, ATVs, and boats during storage, and can also support small off-grid applications like lighting, pumps, or charging stations, making it an essential tool for every outdoor enthusiast. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.